trick is taking a drum loop and turning it into a MIDI region. Now this is usually the case where if you like a drum loop's rhythm but you're not too sure about the way that the sounds sound like, or let's say the timbre or sonics, then we can sort of take the drum loop and turn it into a MIDI region and maybe import our own sounds from there. Now to do that, simply check the drum loop region. So that's selected, and what I can do is just use the shortcut Control-D, which brings up the drum replacement / doubling feature, which is great and kind of underutilized, I suppose, in Logic's repertoire. What Logic will do is automatically feed you a list of kicks that you can use, and these are all the kicks in Logic's banks. But what I want to show you specifically is the threshold, or the relative threshold value. Now, as you can see, Logic is kind of creating a MIDI region for every transient that it sees. And of course, if I sort of take down the relative threshold, you'll see that there are less things showing up in my MIDI region. However, if I was to pull down in terms of the volume in decibels, then you'll see that there are more MIDI regions being created. Okay, like so. Now, once you've done that, I've already done that here. If I just hit OK, you'll see that Logic has created a new MIDI region, but with one note selection. And all you have to do now is just manipulate all the regions to where you want them, which I have done here. I've used my EXS24 sampler with a pre-made traps drum kit that I like. So what we're left with is this now. They are all my custom trap drum sounds. And I've taken the rhythm that I really liked from this drum loop, but just made it my own.